So you're either thinking about taking or you've just taken a VIP Royal Honey Pack. What can you expect? In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know the 3 things you can expect after taking a VIP Royal Honey Packet. The very first thing you can expect after taking a honey pack is that it's gonna make it grow down there. Yes, that's right guys, you heard me correctly. It actually does make it grow downstairs. Now this means in the girth especially, what honey packs do is they actually increase the blood flow in your body through the 5 natural ingredients that are in here. They're all listed on the back right here at the very top. But it's maca, tribulus, tonka ali, Panax ginseng, and royal honey, of course. And what all those things do for you is they increase the blood flow in your body. And as men, it helps increase our testosterone as well, all those different ingredients. And what this is gonna do is downstairs, down below, it's just gonna make sure that you're at your longest, your biggest, and your girthiest. So I've noticed this. Different people that I coach and I talk to in the bedroom that I've advised using this have noticed this, that it actually does help downstairs. So you might have some inches left in the tank that you don't know about. Maybe you're like 5 inches, whatever. After taking a honey pack, you could actually be 6 inches. And it's not always about length. Before we go on to our next point, I'm gonna tell you guys this too. It's not always about length. Now imagine if you were, I don't know, 6, 7 inches, but if your John was like the size of like a pencil, if it was as skinny as like a pencil was, well then it wouldn't feel the same if it was like the size of like a cucumber. To women, how they experience pleasure, a big part of it is in the length, of course, but a big part of it is in the girth, actually. As men, we kind of are always thinking about, oh, how long is it? How big is it? But in reality, you should actually be focusing on your girth just as much. Now, a lot of products that help in the bedroom, things that increase blood flow, things like honey packs, things like Blue Chews, even if you go the synthetic route like Viagra and things of that nature, they actually help in girth a lot. But as men, our minds aren't trained to that. So we don't actually think about girth too much. Basically, like how thick it is. But women, they can tell the difference. So by taking honey packs, that's gonna help you a lot in the girth department and you might not even realize it. The second thing you can expect after taking a honey pack is to last longer. Now this is a very important one, guys. As somebody who in the past, I'm not gonna lie, I'll just let you guys know, sometimes I bust quick. Like even now, I'm 25 years old, and even now, if I'm like really excited or if I haven't like been with somebody for a while, the first time, sometimes, you know, just be feeling so good when you're in it, you can actually bust quick. But this is a very terrible thing, especially if it's your first time with a woman. Now, I probably don't have to tell you guys this, but if it's your first time with the young lady and you bust quick, like in like a minute or two, or with even like less than 5 minutes, you can kiss her passionately that night because you're gonna be kissing her goodbye. It's gonna be the last time you're gonna be seeing her. She got all dolled up. Maybe you guys went on a date together. She got herself all looking nice for you, put her makeup on, maybe some high heels, all for you to finish quick. She's gonna be roasting you in her group chat by the end of the night, and that's gonna be the last time seeing her. Now, we've all gone through it. We all know the feeling. So taking things like honey packs are actually gonna help you last longer in the bedroom. If you're somebody that normally only lasts 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna last 20, if not 30 minutes easily. Not only that, but I've noticed that by taking honey packs, I actually recover a lot quicker. So instead of just going 1 round, sometimes, again, it's not like how it was when I'm younger. I know some of you guys are gonna roast me in the video like, oh bro, you're already young. But sometimes I only got 1 round in me. Now, off of the honey pack, sometimes I could have 2, if not even 3 rounds in me. I remember one time I took a honey pack with a young lady and we were just laid up at her crib all day. I think like I had a day off and she had a day off. So, you know, we was at the crib for literally from morning to night, guys. I took a honey pack before everything started, before everything had transpired. No sugarcoating it, guys. We went 6 times that day. 6 times. And she was looking at me like I was some type of crazy specimen. So honey packs are gonna help you go multiple rounds, and it's gonna make sure you last longer so you're not a 3-pump chump. And the third thing you can expect after taking honey packs is that it's gonna help you stay up. Now, the reason why I say it's gonna help you stay up, because this is not Viagra, guys. I wanna make that very clear for you guys. This isn't, you're not gonna take this and then immediately it's gonna just go up by itself. No, you still have to get aroused. So this is actually a good thing. The way I can explain it is that it takes less to get hard, but basically once you start kissing and touching on the young lady, you know, she starts kissing and touching on you, in a matter of no time, your John is gonna go up. Now, you have to be in tune with your body, guys. Some people will take honey packs and they'll be like, oh, well, Alton, like, I don't feel anything. Again, this is not a Viagra. You're not gonna take it and then within 20 minutes, you're just gonna like it's just gonna go up and it's gonna be like, oh shoot, I'm not even doing anything. You still have to be in tune with your body. Guys that are like, you know, working out, going to the gym, that eat properly, you know what I'm talking about. You can tell when there's like a difference in your body, and these do help you in that department. A lot of guys aren't in tune with their body. They be smoking, they be drinking, they be beating their meat, all these things that are just like not good for you. But if you are in tune with your body, from taking a honey pack, after you get aroused, once you get up, you're gonna be able to stay up. Basically, this means that like once you start kind of engaging in the act with your partner, you're gonna notice that it's not gonna take as much to keep it up. Like, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I'm having sex, I almost have to focus a lot of like my mind power and my energy down in that region just to make sure that I'm keeping it up. Especially like with using condoms, sometimes you can, you know, lose how hard you are just because through the condom, it can be hard to, you know, like feel it when you're actually in it. Now with this, after you take a honey pack, you're not having to focus and kind of like obsess about that region as much, because once it's up, it's staying up by itself. It's up, it's stuck. Now, for you guys that are wondering how long it takes after you take a honey pack for you to feel it, after about 20 to 25 minutes, you're gonna feel it kick in. The best way I can explain it is that you're gonna kind of just feel it in your bloodstream. It's like something's gonna be different. It's almost like, you know, before you go to the gym, maybe you'll have some pre-workout. Of course, it's not as potent as pre-workout, but you know, when you take pre-workout and you go to the gym, you can feel that like there's something in your system. Same with this. You're gonna be able to feel it in your bloodstream and know that like, hey, like something's up. And then again, once you engage in the act with your partner, hey, you're gonna be in there, my boy. Comment down below if you guys have taken and tried honey packs before. What have been some of your experiences with it? I'd like to hear some of you guys' stories who have tried this out in the past. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It really helps in the algorithm just to make sure this video can go out and, you know, reach a wide audience of people who need help. Make sure you turn on post notifications because I do post videos every day. And if this video resonated with you, check out this video over here about what is actually in honey packs. I think you'd like. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.